ICP USDT Overview. Trading Style, Spot. Timeframe, Mid-term. Margin Mode, Isolated. Signal Type, Swing Trade. Target Time Frame, approximately 1 month between Take Profit, TP, points. Entry Levels. Entry Point, 14.09, 4 to 17.995. Take Profit Targets. Target 1, 26.879. Target 2, 36.589. Target 3, 46.203. Target 4, 56.297. Target 5, 68.217. Stop Level, 8.354. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades.